Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Ngifuna ukukhuluma ngama-player awu-7 bafethu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Ama-contract wabo ayaphela makuphela isizini. Okuchaza ukuthi mabangaphefomanga kahle this season bayahamba ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. Kumele ngempela bamisele, they have to give it their all for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bathole i-renewal by the time isizini iphela, because if they don't do that basenkingeni kakhulu. Asibabale bafethu lama-player lawa. So uPeterson ugoalkeeper, uVuma ugoalkeeper, bogoalkeeper bowu-2 uGustin Sireno, uSolomons, uZitha Kwinika, uPule Modi, uMorrissy, uMatlou. Kusho ukuthi bawu-8, yes, bengithi bawu-7 bawu-8. So soqala ngoVuma bafowethu. UVuma-ke siyazi ukuthi uKaizer Chiefs akekho that reliable. Masikhuluma ngaye, like into emshayayo inconsistency, like unokuperforma but-ke aconsider amagoli kalula, but-ke umdlali, ama-rumors athi iKaizer Chiefs ifuna uku-extenda noma icabanga ukuyi-extenda i-contract yakhe uVuma beyond 2026, because 2026 June uzoba i-free agent. And labadlali engibabalile bonke bafethu kusho ukuthi ngoJanuwari bangakwazi ukunegotiate namanye ama-team if amanye ama-team azoba ne-interest. But kuchaza ukuthini ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall ukuthi bayeke abadlali baze bafike kanje ukuthi ngoJanuwari bangabaluza mahhala, because that's not common. Kusho ukuthi awunayo i-major contribution ethimini overall. Omunye engifuna ukukhuluma ngaye, okay, asingene kuPeterson. uPeterson ugoalkeeper weKaizer Chiefs at the moment, uyi-goalkeeper number 1 weKaizer Chiefs. Obviously kunama-opinion a-divided ukuthi maybe abamthembi, but-ke this season solo isizini iqalile u-reliable laphana kuKaizer Chiefs. Khathi nje uqala manje ukuconsider amagoli for the past 3 games uyaconsider-ke, but-ke I mean i-consistency yakhe, I mean is a proven goalkeeper this season. Uyafuna ngempela ukuyilwela i-contract entsha ukuthi uKaizer Chiefs bamnike i-contract entsha. Sikhumbule ukuthi kunabo goalkeeper laphana uNtwari nabovuma abalwisana naye laphana abalwela i-number 1 spot, but uPeterson-ke uyazi ukuthi kumele alwe serious, but so far so good. I mean clean sheets awu-5 laphana ku-Betway Premiership. That's not an easy record, but-ke kuyasho ukuthi uyazama ngempela ukumisela. I-mental strength yakhe i-strong kakhulu, because you could see unayo leyo bravado persona, uyakwazi ukuphusha for i-Kaizer Chiefs overall. Kaze uyayideserve na new contract laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, because contract yakhe yaphela manje 2026 January, njengoba bengishilo anganegotiate nanoma yiphi team. And then high profile signing yabo last season bafethu uGustin Sireno, naye contract yakhe yaphela. Bekunama-rumors kuthiwa iKaizer Chiefs iplane ukurenewa contract kaGustin Sireno, but bowu-coach Nabi ophushayo ukuthi uGustin Sireno ba-renew i-contract yakhe, because bayambona as the lead, one of the leaders of the team, umuntu ongalida iKaizer Chiefs to higher positions, yabo. So umuntu ngempela moments of brilliance uGustin Sireno angifuna ukuqamba manga usibonisile wona, washayela amagoli amahle for iKaizer Chiefs, but sikhumbule ukuthi enye igame la lethe down khona abantu, ile game lena against what is this team le badlala nabadrowa Marumo Gallants, yes, la mistake khona ipenalty, wamista ne-clear chance laphana second half, but kuyenzeka egamini bafethu, hayi ukuthi somcrucify ngoba umista ipenalty, but I mean i-conviction nanokuthi ulwela i-team, you have to fight for the badge, into beyisho Oscar Mboma. Siyazi ukuthi uGustin Sireno uyi-high profile name, ufike laphana Kaizer Chiefs ke-expected ukuthi uzodeliver immediately ngoba uyi-former Mamelodi Sundowns star. I mean kunama-expectations amakhulu ku-Kaizer Chiefs for yena, but-ke in reality bafethu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs isikhathi sakhe unokuba on and off, because manje sekaqala nasebhentshini sometimes singamboni, but-ke ama-moments of magic unawo, but too often siyambona-ke asibonisa ama-flash of what he used to be, but-ke i-work rate yakhe thola ukuthi ayikho that much, but ibhola uyalazi uGustin Sireno, but-ke ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi nje upholele maybe unezinto zakhe. I remember there was a time la kuthiwa uKaizer Chiefs uneyinkinga ne-management, but bakwazi ukuzisolve behind closed doors or behind the scenes. Contract yakhe-ke isele couple of months, sobona ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs izoyirenewa ngoba iminyaka kaGustin Sireno iyahamba, I think is approaching 35 manje or so lapho nje. So asazi ukuthi bazoyirenewa noma ngeke bayirenewe i-contract kaGustin Sireno. I-management kuphela iKaizer Chiefs ezodecide ukuthi uyadeserve na, but-ke isizini le kumele aziprove khona ukuthi u-hungry, uyaphusha ngempela, ayi-add i-creative spark laphana kuKaizer Chiefs, i-quality yakhe aphusha ngempela ukuthi i-game time akwazi ukuyithola kakhulu, and abe i-game changer. And then-ke If not, then I don't think bazomnika i-renewal laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. But mengenza kahle kakhulu, I mean uzokwazi ukuthola i-renewal laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Uzobe ayilwele and then ayi-deserve. And then khona i-right back bafowethu, uSolomon siyamazi ukuthi une-pace kakhulu, une-energy, u-versatile laphana. Yiwo obviously ama-qualities wakhe overall laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. But-ke lokho akukho enough because of ama-performances wakhe isikhathi esiningi anokungabi convincing. I-progress yakhe in terms of like inokuba slowly isikhathi esiningi, or decision making in terms of ukuphasa. But yeah, Kaizer Chiefs idemanda umuntu ozoba reliable njalo, uzokwazi ukustep up every time mabamdlalisa. But just before the end of last season simbonile awathatha ama-chances wakhe, a-add ispeed sakhe laphana esayidini. But njengoba manje currently this season basayine uThabiso Munyane number 1 laphana. So Solomon number 3 in terms of ama-right back ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Simbonile ebhentshini, uFrosler bengekho that great, but uSolomon abamfakanga, kusho ukuthi u-worse than uFrosler. So asazi ukuthi lo mdlali-ke uzoyithola na i-new contract ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Chance incane kakhulu. Then ngena ku-one of their leaders bafowethu uZitha Kwenika. UZitha Kwenika i-contract yakhe beyiphelile ku-Kaizer Chiefs, ngaba akasekho. But-ke simbonile last season, just before isizini izophela udlale kahle kakhulu, and then wakwazi ngempela ukuba solid laphana at the back, wadeliver noma wasiza ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs ikwazi ukuwina i-Nedbank Cup laphana. Bamnike i-1 year renewal nje kuphela bafowethu, as ukumbonga in a way. Nanokuthi ukwazile ukubuya ku-Kaizer Chiefs, uhambile waphinde wabuya ku-Kaizer Chiefs laphana because yibo abamdevelopha, waqala ukudlala professionally laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall. So naye umdlali lona ama-chance amakhulu ukuthi ayishiye i-Kaizer Chiefs. If i-Kaizer Chiefs izodependa ngokuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs izodlala kanjani this current campaign, nanokuthi izoqeda isizini kuphi overall. But uZitha Kwenika naye kumele alwe ukuthi approve ku-management ukuthi uya-deserve i-contract renewal. I mean obviously-ke behind the scenes bayamncoma ngempela, bathi leadership yakhe, composure ne-strength sakhe overall yizo izinto ezimgcine laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs obviously they can't afford ukuthi babe weak laphana emuva. Some of the performances zakaZitha Kwenika just before the end of the season, njengoba ngishilo bafethu, yizo ezamhlalisa ku-Kaizer Chiefs, bamnika i-contract entsha but i-1 year kuphela. Maybe even this season kumele futhi abonise leyo moments of brilliance. I think for example, if Kaizer Chiefs ingakwazi ukwenza kahle ku-CAF Confederations Cup, le kubonakala ngathi manje bazophuma kuyo. But if bangakwazi ukurescue isikhala sabo ku-CAF Confederations Cup, aboZitha Kwenika babe highly influential, uthola ukuthi bayazama ukuya all out all the way ku-CAF Confederations Cup, for sure amajita amaningi azokwazi ukuthola ama-renewals. But-ke kuzoya ngabo ukuthi bayalwa kangakanani for i-Kaizer Chiefs. And then uPule Modi abamsayine laphana ku-Golden Arrows, iwinga lena efike ku-Kaizer Chiefs nama-high expectations, but uyaperforma aphinde angaperformi. So uyabanda aphinde ashise, une-pace, uyadrebula bafowethu, i-skill sakhe, he can influence ama-game we-Kaizer Chiefs, but unokuvela abe-off. Too often nokusibonisa vele ama-moments of brilliance wakhe, but-ke without i-end product mase kufika laphana phambili i-final third. But kumdlalo ongaba highly influential, if angaba nje nenkani ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi akwazi ukuphusha, so bona ukuthi uzo-convince i-management ukuthi uyayideserve i-renewal. I think manje una-32, if angenza iphutha umfowethu, possibly this could be, he could get his last big contract or his last contract ku-professional setup. So bona ukuthi uzoyithola ku-Kaizer Chiefs or uzoyithola kwamanye ama-team. Then omunye esingakhuluma ngaye bafethu i-striker uMorris. Wasayina laphana Kaizer Chiefs as umuntu ozoshaya amagoli, but so far Kaizer Chiefs akakatholi obviously ama-opportunities enough siyazi, but noma anikwa ama-opportunities umfowethu is not convincing at all bafowethu, is not convincing at all. Uriske ukurelease-wa even manje bamsayine eJanuary, imagine bamsayine eJanuary but already bebafuna ukumrelease manje. But-ke abakasho lutho ngaye nanokuthi bayamrelease because Durban City beyimfuna, but i-deal yakhona zange benze i-follow up. All in all sobona ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs izomisa kanjani kuwo wonke lama-player lawa abanawo, because uMorris mawubheka noma mesibheka i-striker sabo ama-contributions wakhe limited kakhulu lapha ne-Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs i-desperate for amagoli. Ama-questions abuziwe kakhulu bafethu ukuthi lo muntu lo right enough for i-Kaizer Chiefs, ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ingabuilda something formidable around yena. Morris-ke kumele alwe, given a chance, if usazoyithola i-chance. But i-chance enkulu ayi angiyiboni uMorris bafethu, but you never know ukuthi umuntu akalahlwa. Then umuntu esizovala ngayo bafethu number 8, George Matlo. I mean bekumele ahambe uJosh Matlou, bekuthiwa uyahamba ku-Kaizer Chiefs uyahamba, but naye kuma-interview bekhuluma athi ucabanga ukuthi wenze enough, ukuthi uyayi-deserve i-contract renewal laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, nangu uhleli ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Kuthiwa ucoach Nabi-ke umkhulumele laphana ukuthi hayibo akahlale lo muntu lo ngizokwazi, ubona i-potential yakhe ukuthi uzokwazi ukubuild i-team around yena, but-ke so far this season akakabi highly instrumental. Siyazi ukuthi akakawathola ama-opportunities ukuthi abe one of the first starters for i-Kaizer Chiefs overall. Siyazi ukuthi enye excuse ukuthi wabulawa i-injury noma walimazwa i-injury ende bafethu la ngaphandle khona, ahleli ngaphandle, but-ke man melinikwe i-chance ukuthi alwe kumele azame ukulwela i-Kaizer Chiefs, but sobona ukuthi ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall yena uzophela lapho mfowethu. Bheka sesibambeni lana bafethu kwamanje. Ngithanda ukuthi danko, cela ningakhohlwa ukulike nisubscribe. Thi ngiwaphinde lama-player lawa njengoba ngivala bafethu: uVuma, Gaston Sirino, Peterson, uSolomons, uKwinika, uModi, uMorris, uGeorge Matlou. Football ayina therefore but it can kill you a real death. Labantu kumele baphakamise izandla balwele i-badge le-Kaizer Chiefs, noma isikhathi sabo saku-Kaizer Chiefs siyobizwa ngehistory. Danko bafowethu.